Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to know new coin listing on Kucoin. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Kucoin, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the Kucoin website, what you're going to do is to click on more right here on the top side, and under the information section you will see a announcement right here, so you can just click it. And after clicking the announcement, as you can see, you will see all latest announcement of Ucoin, but you're going to go to the new listing right here. So click new listings right here and you will see all new coin listing that is available in Qcoin. So the latest one is the Pomerium, and the other one is Mixmob, the Wen and Jupiter, etc., etc. But yeah, that's it. So if you want to learn more about the coin, you can just click them right here, and as you can see, you will see a lot of description about the coin. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find new coin listing on KuCoin. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.